Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer from QuickBooks Online to NetSuite using import templates. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the Reports section on the left-hand side menu. Select the relevant reports you need for your data transfer. For example, download your customer and vendor lists, transactions, and chart of accounts. Ensure you choose the correct date range for your export. Click on that export option and select Export to Excel. Save the exported files to a location you can easily access. Now, log into your NetSuite account. Go to the Setup menu and select Import Export. Click on Import Tasks to start an import process. Before importing, obtain the appropriate import templates from NetSuite. You can find these templates in the NetSuite Suite Answers or by searching for specific import formats. Download the templates relevant to the data you want to import, such as customers or vendors. Open the templates in a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel. Carefully match the fields from your QuickBooks export to the corresponding columns in the NetSuite templates. Make sure to format the data according to NetSuite requirements. For date fields, use the format specified in the template. For drop-down selections, ensure you use the exact values from NetSuite to avoid errors. After verifying all the data, save the file in the appropriate format, typically CSV. Return to your NetSuite account and navigate back to the Import Tasks section. Select the type of data you are importing, such as customers or transactions. Choose the CSV file you just prepared for the import. Follow the prompts to upload your file. NetSuite will provide options to map fields. Ensure these are correct before proceeding. Once complete, review any error messages or warnings NetSuite may provide. After addressing any issues, confirm the import. Monitor the import status until it shows as completed successfully. Finally, verify that the data has imported correctly by checking the corresponding records in NetSuite. Consistently review your data to ensure consistency and accuracy after the transfer. With these steps, you will have successfully transferred your data from QuickBooks Online to NetSuite using import templates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.